back, my friends, and happy Thursday. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. Now, this one offers some really good benefits in addition to the standard benefits that you get, and the pay is decent as well. So we will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. The company LegalZoom is hiring, now this is remote for my United States folks only, an escalation specialist for their tier 2. So what that means is you'll be the initial connection to the customer, providing a positive customer experience and taking that customer approach and developing that customer relationship for LegalZoom. You'll assist customers with phone and email inquiries about their order status, payment, refunds, and on-site operation, as well as helping provide additional information to them about all of LegalZoom's products and services that they offer. You'll serve as a liaison between the customers and other departments that they need to communicate information back and forth to. You'll use common customer feedback to identify opportunities to improve the customer experience. And you'll assure quality and accurate representation of products and represent the company professionally. Now, it says they do prefer an associate's degree, but that is not required, so only a high school diploma is actually required. They do want someone who has 2 to 3 years experience in a call center environment, someone who has experience de-escalating customer calls, someone who has the ability to resolve complex issues, someone who is a self-starter and takes initiative, and has great computer skills. Now, if that is you, they pay decent for this customer service role, especially working from home. The salary range is anywhere from $33,000 a year all the way up to $49,920 a year. They also offer additional bonuses like an annual bonus and incentive bonuses and restrictive stock units. So that is a way to get extra money as well. And then they offer benefits as far as medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off, health savings, and flexible savings accounts. But then they offer some unheard of benefits in the wellness category as far as fertility, mental health, one medical, and they reimburse you up to $250 a year for wellness, so that can pay for your gym membership. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.